Okay, everybody, hello to everyone here in your favorite and your beautiful math class here in Jose Math channel. So it's it's beautiful that you are here with me in this moment. But really, I miss you all of your smiles, your histories, your laughs. Come on, this is so different. It's it's comfortable to be with you in this moment, but I love your presence. Really, I miss you a lot. Here in this moment, we are with us, Samuel Montes. We are with Sammy Rios. Hello, Sammy Montes, Sammy Rios. Excellent. We're with us, Maximo. Please, Maximo, go to your class, please. Go to your classroom, please. We're going to begin the class with 7A, okay? We're going to wait for 5 minutes more, okay? We're going to find. Hello, Torres. Hello, Juanes. Excellent that you're here in this moment. Okay, we're going to speak. We're going to wait for your partners for 5 minutes more. And let's begin our class. So, in 5 minutes, we begin our class. So, please share this video in your WhatsApp group of 7A, and I wait for you in 5 minutes, okay? Okay, people, in 2 minutes we're going to begin our class, so please it's necessary that you share this video with your friends And remember it, please. Remember on our group that we have class, okay? I know that this video appeared in our plan, but I don't know, some parents can forget it, okay? So please remember it into your WhatsApp group or with your friends. Remember, we have math class. And try to begin our beautiful class. Okay, so we're going to wait only 2 minutes more and do our beautiful class. Okay, so only 2 minutes more and we're going to begin. Or with your friends. Remember, we have math class. Try to begin our beautiful class. Okay, so we're going to wait only 2 minutes more and okay, people, let's begin our class. Remember that we are in our beautiful live math class. The topic for today, we're going to remember something about the system linear equations. And the objective for today, we're going to understand the system of linear equation elimination method. So we have the session 88. Today it's April 14th. So please, everybody, copy in your notebooks. Your notebooks, please copy system of linear equation elimination chamber. I'm going to explain it step by step, okay? But first, remember that yesterday we was speaking about this law, okay? But with some economic topics, okay? Remember that we're speaking about with the negative slope. The negative slope is about demand, okay? And when we're speaking about positive slope, we're speaking about supply, okay? Remember the demands, the axis have to change in this moment, and we are speaking about no y-axis or x-axis. We're speaking about quantities in the x-axis, and in the y-axis we're speaking about price. Okay, but today we're going to speak about two systems of linear equation using this beautiful slides. Okay, look at that, solving system linear equations in two variables. Okay, now what is a system linear equation? The system of linear equation consists of two or more equations. Okay, in our classes we're speaking about only one equation. For example, y it's equal. Please, I know that my beautiful letter is beautiful. X plus 2. This is example, okay? But we are only working by only one equation, okay? And we're going to try to identify which is the x value. With this equation, we always try to do our graph. Okay, we do, we construct, we make our graph. Okay, in this case, when we are speaking, we are trying to graph two equations because we are trying to identify one equation and a second equation that can be in this structure. Y is equal minus 2x plus 10. Look at that, that now we have two equations to graph here in our Cartesian plane. Okay? So it's important that we try to understand how can I identify the x value, okay, that we don't know in this moment, and the y value, okay, and we're going to learn how to do it. It's excellent, okay. Okay, very good. The solution of system of two equations in two variables is in order pairs x and y that makes both our equation true. Okay, let's continue with our slides. Okay, look at this example, please, everybody, pay attention. Well, it's important because we have to determine whether minus 3, that one, is a solution of the system. Okay, if we're speaking about a solution of the system, it's because we are speaking about that this equation really is minus 4, or this equation it's really equal 4. Okay, so we're going to try to do this example, okay, and determine it if the solution is true. Okay, how can we do it? This is not difficult. Look at that. We're going to replace this minus 3 into the x letter, okay, and this one into the y letter. Okay, look at that. Excellent. Very good. Everybody, very good that you are paying attention. Remember, I'm going to replace this minus 3 into the x value and this one into the y value. Okay, with red color, I'm going to write the first equation. Okay, this is our first equation. So I'm going to first equation here. Okay. Oh, I can write, oh no, I can write it into this black cloud. Okay, the first equation is x minus y. Montes, I know that my numbers are beautiful. Minus 4. Okay, excellent. Now, remember, I have to replace the numbers into the letters. So x now is no x, it's minus 3. So I'm going to put minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to put it into a parenthesis because 1 is positive. Okay, remember, minus 1. Oh, beautiful parenthesis. Equal minus 4. Oh, excellent, beautiful numbers. Okay, Samuel Montes from Sydney, Australia, said me play Minecraft later, Samuel. Okay, let's continue now. Minus 3. Remember that we have to multiply the signs. Okay, minus times plus, because remember that this one have a plus here. Okay, excellent. Minus plus plus multiply plus, okay, times plus is minus 1. Excellent. Equal minus 4. Excellent. Now minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Remember, oh, what is this? Okay, equal minus 4. I don't know why appeared this line because I didn't know. Don't pay attention to this line, okay? Minus 4 is equal minus 4. So now we check it that effectively, okay, minus 3 and minus 1 is a solution of the first equation, okay? Now we're going to change the color of our with this purple, okay. Okay, it's the second equation. Okay, now we're going to determine if the second equation is a solution of the system. Remember that in this case it's true. Look at that. If I replace minus 3 and minus 1, it's really equal minus 4. Okay, excellent. So now we're going to write the equation here. 2x plus 10y it's equal 4. Okay, remember that we have to replace these values into this x or this y. Okay, it's important that you note it and remember it. Why? Because if we don't replace it, we don't know if the solution is a solution of the system. Okay, for the students that usually come, and we are speaking about the system solutions, okay, using two equations, two linear equations, okay. Now, welcome, my beautiful students. Okay, now we're going to replace it to, and we will open the parentheses, first parenthesis, and remember the x, it's negative 3, so minus 3. We have to put it with the sign, please. Remember, always put the sign into the parentheses. Plus 10. I'm going to open another parenthesis and y. Okay, but remember that y in this case is plus 1. Okay, we don't put the plus because we all will remember that if we doesn't appear the sign is because it's positive. Okay, this is a parenthesis. A beautiful parenthesis. This is a parenthesis. Okay, equal 4. Okay, beautiful 4. Excellent. Now, remember that these two have a positive sign. It doesn't appear, but I'm going to put it. Why? Because we have to multiply positive times negative. Positive times negative, negative. Now, 2 times 3, 6. Oh, beautiful. Now, plus times plus plus plus. Now, 10 times 1, 10, equal 4. Oh, beautiful 4. Beautiful, beautiful 4. This is 4, okay? It's not a chair, it's a 4, okay? Minus 6 plus 10 is 4. Equal 4. Okay, excellent. Now, so we can say that this coordinate minus 3 dot 1 is a solution of a system equation. Okay, so this equation is true and this equation is true. Okay, I'm going to proceed to read some comments that you put in our beautiful chat. Santiago Barreiro from Michigan, United States, said me, Jose, we love you. Oh, I love you so much too because you are the best girls. Okay, and Checho say, teacher minus 3. Teacher, where's minus 3? Ah, because minus 3, Sergio, it's this minus 3 is the coordinate of x, okay? The x coordinate, look at that. Minus 3, remember, minus 3 is x and y is 1. Excellent, very good. Juan Esteban Torres Roballo from Sydney, Australia said us, please pay attention to our class. Oh, thank you. Excellent, very, very good. Santi Poveda, excellent. Minus 3 is the coordinate of the constant. Excellent. Oh, Santi Poveda, excellent. Very, very, very good. So, let's continue with our beautiful class, okay? So now we're going to pass to next slide. Now, please, we're going to do a second example, okay? I'm going to proceed to do only the first equation. Okay, that is the first equation, and we have the second equation. Excellent. Now, remember, these four represent the x value, and this 2 represents the y value. Excellent. Remember, we have only to replace it. I'm only going to proceed to do the first equation, okay? Excellent. Now, we're going to replace it. 2x, beautiful 2. Oh, this is not a 1, it's a 2. 2x minus 5y, it's equal minus 2. No, beautiful numbers. Now we're going to proceed to replace it. 2, remember that x, we're going to open a parenthesis up to the number 4. Oh, excellent. 4 minus 5, open another parenthesis and put the number 2. Oh, beautiful 2. It's equal minus 2. Excellent. Now, remember that we have to multiply 2 times 4, 8. Oh, beautiful 8. Now, minus times plus, because this 2 is positive, minus. Now, 5 times 2, 10. Beautiful. Equal minus 2. 8 minus 10 minus 2 equal minus 2. Excellent. So we have that the system is a solution of this system equation. Please, now in your house, please determine if 4 and 2 is a solution system of the second equation. Please, write into our chat, in our comments, please. You have only 2 minutes to write if it's correct or no, the solution system using the coordinates 4 and 2. So come on, please, everybody. You have only 3 minutes to determine if it's correct or not correct. Okay, please, everybody, copy. We have now 18 students in this moment. So please, everybody, come on, put it in your chat if it's 4 or it's not minus 4. Okay, excellent. Please, everybody, copy. Please, Montes, please, come on quickly. Take your notebook and your pencil and replace the x and y value into the second equation. Please, come on. Checho, come on. Really? You can do it, Sammy Rios? Excellent. Hello, Hannah Camila. Hannah? Hannah, what are you doing here? Okay, Hannah Camila. Don't worry. But Hannah, you're not 7C. Okay. What happened here? Oh, come on. Okay, don't worry. Something excellent. Now, please put in your chat if it's 4 or no, if it's correct or not, it's correct. You have only 3 minutes more. Or the question, oh, Francisco, the question, okay? We are trying to determine if 4 and 2 is a solution of this system equation, of this one. Look at that. I'm going to put with yellow, oh, beautiful yellow, if it's correct or no. Remember that you have to replace it, okay? You have to replace the 4 value into the x and 2 value into the y, okay? Vale González says it's not a solution, okay? Samir Ruiz says, teacher, it's not solution, okay? And Sammy Montes said, no, it's not solution, okay? Juan Esteban Torres Roballo dice, it's not a solution. Okay, vale. 20, it's equal 4. And Hannah say, Jose, I don't understand. I'm worried. And I say again, Hannah, you are 7C. No, this is 7A. Okay. Barry Gonzalez, I believe no. Vale, Jose is not a solution. Okay, Pacho say it's not a solution. Santi Poveda, it is not. Majo Hermida, Jose, she is Paula. Oh, okay, I understand. Oh, thank you. Okay, Hannah. No, yes, okay. Oh, I understand now because you know, use YouTube Kids. Okay, okay, don't worry. Okay, so it's not a solution. Okay, do we're going to check if it's true or not it's true, but I'm going to do it with black. Okay, we have 3x, oh beautiful, 3 plus 4y, it's equal 4. Excellent. Now we're going to replace 3 times, this is a parenthesis, 3 times, hello police, sorry, 3 times 4, close the parentheses, plus 4, and open the parentheses, y, remember y in this case is the number 2, it's equal 4. Okay, now 3 times 4, 12. Very good. Plus, oh, this is yeah, ugly too. 2 times 2, 4, 8. 4 times 2, 8. Equal 4. Now, 12 plus 8, 20. So 2. Sorry for this. Ugly too. So 2. 20 equal 4. So you're right. Yes, you say it's not solution. What happened here? Because it's different. 20 is different 4. So this is not a solution. This is a solution. Look at that. We have now in this moment two different equations, and the first equation it's a solution, but the second one is not a solution. It's wrong. Okay, very good. For the people that said like Valeria, like Santiago, like Montes, it's not. She's not a solution. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Okay, system of equation. Okay, it's a solution common to both equation. There is also a point common to graph of both equation. Okay, in economics you can set it like equilibrium. Okay, to find the solution of a system of two linear equation, we graph the equation and see where the lines intersect. Okay, what I'm trying to say in this moment that if we have the Cartesian plane here, one the x and the y-axis. My y-axis was very ugly. Okay, we can, for example, draw a beautiful line here. Okay, and we have one equation here. Yes, and now, for example, we have another with yellow. Okay, very good. Other equation like that. We are speaking about the lines, the intersect line. In this point, we're going to try the solution of these two equations. Okay, look at that. To find the solution of a system of two linear equation, we grab the equation like that. Remember, this is x-axis, our y-axis, and see where the lines intersect. Look at that. We have to find the points here and here and speak about the coordinate in x and y. Excellent, very good. Okay, okay, very good, excellent. Let's continue. Okay, let's continue with the slides. Now, this solve the system of equation by graphing. Okay, remember by graphing. Oh, look at that, beautiful abstracted. Okay, now we're going to do with this, with yellow, no, we're going to with brown. Oh no, this is red. With green. Okay, the first equation with green. Okay, remember that we have the slope here. Remember the slope, no? And look at that, it's positive slope. It's a positive slope. Okay, excellent. And we have the constant term. Remember that this constant term is the intercept with the y-axis. Remember, okay? Intercept with the y-axis. So we're going to put with green 2 in y, 2 positive. Okay, remember that we have the y-axis and the x-axis. Very good. So we have the number 2 here. Beautiful 2. Okay, so let's begin. Remember, rise and run. Rise and run. Look at that. So I have to move 2 positions, 1 and 2, to move 3 positions in x. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we have the next point here. Okay, now we have to move 2 positions, 1 and 2, to move 3 positions in x. 1, 2, and 3. Look at that. We have the next position here. Okay, now again move 1, 2 position in y. 1, 2, and 3 position in x. 1, 2, and 3. Look at that. We have these 3 points. Okay, I'm going to try to do this line. Okay, 1 point. Okay, going for the second point. 2 points. Excellent. Now go for the third point. Okay, we did. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, but now with which other color? Okay, we're going to take with beautiful blue. Okay, please everybody pay attention. I am reading here that somebody black to Hannah. Okay, with second question. Okay, with this second question, okay, we're going to draw this line. Now look at that. We have 3 like slope. Yeah, slope. Okay, and we have the intercept with the y-axis. Look at that it's -5. Okay, so we begin in this position, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Okay, we have this position. Here is the intercept with the y-axis. Now we have to determine the slope. Remember that in this case the change in y is 3 positions and the change in x it's only 1 position, 3 and 1. Okay, very good. Now we have here in -5, remember that this -5 is this point. This is -5. Now we have to move 3 positions in y, 1, 2, and 3, to move only 1 in x. Oh, here we have our point. Okay, now 1, 2, and 3 to move 1. Very good. 1, 2, and 3 to move 1. Okay, look at that. We have the intercept at the same point. Look at that. In this point, we have the intercept. Very good. Now, let's continue. 1, 2, and 3 to move 1. Okay, now I'm going to try to the line. Beautiful line. Oh no. Okay, we're going to. Oh no. This is no fine, but don't worry. In your notebooks, can appear very beautiful. Okay, and look at that. Oh, okay, we have. Oh, we can do it. We can do it. Okay, very good. Excellent. Now look at that. We have our 2 lines. Look at that. With green, the first equation line. Okay. With blue, the second equation line. With beautiful, very beautiful. Okay. But now remember that we have to find the coordinate where the 2 lines are intercepts. Okay, we need to know this value, and this value to find it it's so easy with the graph. Why? Because we have only to count our squares. Look at that. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we have 4 in y. Okay, now we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. 3, and x. Okay, very good. So, with other color, we need to put with red. So the intercept of these two lines in this moment is 3 in x and 4 in y. Excellent. So we solve the system equation using the graphing. Okay, I'm going to read some questions that you put it in our chat. Maria Jose Ibanez said, "Teacher, I don't understand." And later Santiago Poveda said, "It's only a line that moves 3 positions in y and 1 in x." Very, very good. Remember, Majo, that we are speaking that we have to graph these two equations. With re, look at that. Always we move 2 positions in y and 3 positions in x. Look at that. 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 3. Look at this point. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and this point. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and this point. Look at that. You can continue to the infinite, okay? Or you can go for this point, okay? And remember, in this case, for example, the second example, in the second equation, you can find it the slope. In this case, the slope is 3 and y. It's upside because it's positive, okay? You have to move 3 positions. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, and only 1 in x point. 1, 2, and 3, and 1 point in x. Very good. 1, 2, 3, and 1 point in x. What we want? Only we have to find, we want to find this intercept with this line intercept with the other one, okay? This is the solution, okay? Okay, let's continue. Maria Jose said, okay. Hannah says, Majo, okay. Thanks, Podera. Oh, very good. For me, it's true. Hannah Camila said, it's Camila. Okay, what happened, Paulis? It's Paulis. Yes, we know that Hannah is not Hannah. It's Paulis. Maria Jose said, teacher, I don't understand. Okay, I think that I explain again. Okay. What we have later, I don't know. Okay. Oh, physics. I'm gonna say the other one. Okay. Vale. We have to do some activities. No, we have to practice, but here in our class, in our graph, using the graph. Okay. Maria Jose say no. Okay. Vale said, Jose, can you turn the slides? Okay. And try it. Okay. Look at that, Vale. Do you need this slide? Okay. Vale say, Jose. Jose Guzman say, no. Okay. What did you need? Okay. Don't worry. So remember that we are finding to try to find the solution of how many equations? Two linear equations. Okay. But why? Because we want to find the lines intersect this point. Okay, this point. Okay, please, for the students that wants to copy this slide, please, you can do it in 2 minutes. But remember that this video is uploaded immediately. Okay, you can check the Josemat channel this afternoon and appear our class for today appear, all the video appear. If you want to study again, if you didn't understand something, you can check again our video and say, oh, come on, because we are speaking about that. It's more easy for us, okay? It's easy for us because you can open again the video and say, come on, I want to see the video and I want to understand. For Majo, for Hannah, or no, Hannah, Paula, for Luna, if said, I don't understand what happened here, you can again put the video and say, oh yes, it's so easy, it's very, very, very easy. Okay, okay, we are 21 in this moment. Woo, we have everybody here. Excellent, very, very good. So remember that we are speaking about solving of system equation. In this case, only using by graphing, okay? Only by graphing. That we have to graph the lines, okay, with the intercept. Excuse me, Vale, but I need to move the slide again, okay? So look at that we have this system equation, okay, that we have the slope, that we have the intercept with the y-axis, okay, that we have a positive slope, and we're speaking to find this intercept point. Look at that. This point, that's the point with the intercept of the blue graph. There is our second equation, and the green graph with the first question, okay? And you can count our squares to find the coordinate. Look at that. The solution of this system equation is 3 and 4. Okay, I'm going to read some comments again and say, Jose, activities for today? No, we're going to do activities here. I want that you work here in our class and you say, yes, I can do it because I know that you can do it. Maria Jose Guzman says, Valentina, no? Well, Valentina, no what? Okay. Vale said, thank you. Oh, thank you. Santi Arreos, it's like host champion. Oh, thank you, Santi. Excellent. You are so awesome with me. And I want to be the best with you because you are so awesome and you love. I love you so much. Okay? That's it so important to me. Okay. So let's continue with our finish of our class, okay? Luna Sofia say, how's have done this done? Don't worry. Remember, Lunita, if you want to see the video again, you can do it this afternoon, okay? But don't worry because we're going to continue with this topic on our next class, okay? Because we have to understand how to move slow, how to find the intercept. So don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Oh, because so Lunita said because I'm like, oh, okay, but don't worry. You know that you can put the video again, okay? Now appear in this example. Solve the system of equation by graphing. Okay, people, you have only 3 minutes to find the point. I only want the point, the x value and the y value, okay, of the first and second equation, okay. Please, everybody, put it in your chat now. We have only 3 minutes. Come on, in 3 minutes you can do it. Please move. Remember, I'm going to help you with something. Remember that in this case you have to put it in the equation of this structure. Y it's equal mx plus b. Why? Because look at that. The y is here, and 2x is here, and 6 is here. It's in this order. Nah, okay, I'm joking, dude. I'm joking. Don't worry, it's a joke. Okay, I only going to explain the first equation. Okay, and in our last class, in our next class, we're going to resolve this system equation. It's no difficult, my dears. Okay, it's no difficult. Why? Because the only thing that you have is to move all in y or in x terms. Okay, let's begin with the easiest form. Okay, the easiest equation. Okay, the second one. Look at that. The second one. It's so easy. Why? Because it's only x plus 3y is equal 10. Okay, in this case, x plus 3y is equal 10. We're going to move this x to the other side in negative form. 3y it's equal 10 minus x. Now this 3 is multiplying, so we're going to pass it to the other side to divide 10 and minus x, okay? So the answer in this case is y it's equal 10, okay, 10 over 3 minus x over 3, okay? And we have the first equation, okay? Like you can note, okay, like you can check, like you can see, This low is in this position. Look at that. We're going to put with other color, with purple. It's minus x3. So it's the equation is in negative form. So if we have our Cartesian plane, oh, look at that, was beautiful. It's in this form. It's negative form, like the diamond. Okay, remember, like the diamond. Excellent, very good. Okay, very, very good. Now we have 10 over 3. This 10 over 3, remember that in this case, is the intercept with the y-axis. Okay? So, but don't worry, it's so easy. Okay? We have to graph this equation in our next class. So, let's remember something important about our class. Okay? Remember, remember that we are speaking system of linear equations using two linear equations that we have to find if the equation have a solution system using the coordinates of x or y, that we have to replace the x and y into the first and second equation and try to determine if it's true or no. In this case, in our first example, both equations are true, okay? But in the second equation, only the first equation was true. The second one was different. Remember, 20, it's different to 4, so it's different, okay? Remember that we can do it using equation by graphing, and we only have to graph these two equations and try to find the intercept with the axis, okay? Remember, my people, that yes, you, in your house, on your computer, in front of your cell phone, you are the number one, always, okay? And remember, please, like to my videos. Oh, thank you, Donita, for the like, okay? And have a nice day. I love you so, so much. Remember that we have again class tomorrow, okay? At the same hour. So remember, you have go to Josema's channel, please, at 8 at point, okay? So, bye bye. I love you so,